we introduce the loading and unloading process of grain bags for all kinds of productive systems. It is an efficient, simple and practical option which allows storing grains in a safe and economical way. To start the process, prepare the ground. Remember to place the bags on a level surface with easy access and far from public roads and wire fences. The ground should also be free from stubble to avoid possible damage to the lower part of the bag. This process will require a grain bagging machine. Silo Grain Zero Energy. This machine operates without tractor or engine, has a low cost, offers high output and is easy to transport. Starting up the machine is fast and simple. Place the machine in the right place. Lift the hopper and turn the wheels to set the zero energy in working position. Check out the instructions on the IPESA box. The IPESA bags, made of polyethylene, can be recycled as they are manufactured with virgin raw material, which reduces environmental impact. The IPESA bags are manufactured with best raw materials, under strict quality standards IRAM and ISO 9001-2000, 14001, 2004. IPESA offers bags which range from 4 to 12 feet in diameter and from 60 to 150 meters in length. As a leading company, IPESA has the production capacity to provide the domestic market regardless of harvest volume and thus guarantee supply in quality, quantity, and time. Close the doors in order to lower the upper part of the tube and set the bag in the right position. Lift the upper part of the tunnel in a simple and quick way with the winch. Remove the bag from the tunnel to seal the end and begin the bagging process. The self-dumping auger Cestari is ready to work. It has a capacity of 24,700 liters, 4 wheels, and total dumping capacity of 2.5 minutes. The diameter of the tube is 480 millimeters. The trailer is bolted, which simplifies assemble and disassemble processes for maintenance. Incorporated canvas, forged brakes, centralized lubrication, lower tube with clamps for easy replacement, sliding bed plates, cemented gears, polyurethane enamel, and several other characteristics makes Cestari a different trailer. Silo Grain Zero Energy preserves the grain in polyethylene silo bags 9 feet in diameter. This technique was massively developed by Martinez and Staneck all over Argentina, Among its most prominent features, we find operative capacity, just depending on the serial delivery logistics. No need of tractor or any other type of energy. Higher efficiency in the loading of the bag. Better preservation of the stored grain by removing the air between spaces. No damage to the grain through the use of augers. Easy transportation. Better filling capacity between 8 to 12%. Lower maintenance cost. Silo grain energy zero. No tractor, no engine, no problems. Once the producer decides to unload the grain bag, an auger extractor will be needed. The Silo Balsa Palo TVC 350 extractor is the technology that guarantees a sustainable agriculture on every ground the man sows. Simple, efficient, agile, strong, and safe. The TVC 350 is the only extractor with patented system and design. Thanks to its original auto trailer, which allows a minimum transportation width of 2.44 meters, and to its operative simplicity, just a few changes are required to go from transport to work position. The gearbox, which transmits to the sweepers, is protected to avoid premature wear and breakage caused by the contact with the grain. The machine has only one hydraulic circuit controlled by two valves that allow the monitoring of different moves and speed of forward movement. All these are located in an adjustable panel within reach of the tractor driver. This new design has been added a 350mm completely forward-folding tube that lowers the machine gravity center and makes it ideal for transportation. The absence of internal bed plates prevents blockages and grain damage and reduces significantly the wear and tear of the auger and the tube, as well as the energy consumption to only 60 HP. The efficient system of central feeding in the tube allows to put the roll at a low level. This prevents the grain from getting stuck in the middle of the bag and reduces the amount at its end. Thanks to its lateral discs, the bag can't roll up in its axis if the machine turns excessively to one side. The TVC 350 grain bag and loader offers a fast and economical system for grain loading and unloading in silo bags with a loading capacity of 4,500 kilograms per minute. Having the operator's care and safety as a design aim, it was considered vital to protect the rotating elements through protection systems such as a shielded cardan shaft, as well as the possibility of uncoupling the auger sweepers at the end of the bag, thus reducing risks. The roll transmission has an automatic uncoupling system just by turning back, which allows the operator to unroll the bag without getting out of the tractor. As seen and proved, we can confirm that the TVC 350 is the most complete, secure and reliable machine in the market, which was developed and patented by Palo, the leading brand in hydromechanical unloaders. Due to its countless advantages, this system has been adopted by most Argentinian farming producers. Its versatility and easy adaptation make it an ideal system to store and unload grain. This system allows independence from harvest times, improves business conditions, preserves the grain optimally, identifies production according to quality, contributes to reduce environmental impact, expands agricultural borders free from lack of storage structure.